A young techie, Yuvraj Mehta, dies in Noida, not because help didn't arrive, but because help didn't know how to help. Phones were dialed, sirens wailed, uniforms gathered, and yet no one jumped in, no one swam, no one saved. This wasn't just a tragedy, it was a mirror. Our sacred texts tell stories of kings who give their food, their flesh, their very lives to protect even the smallest citizens. Sometimes even animals counted as citizens. The Bhagavad Gita 3.20 reminds us that Loka Sangraha, maintaining the order of the world, is the responsibility of every office bearer, from the king to the peon. And when even one becomes negligent, disruption and disaster follow. And today, emergency services arrived with life jackets but without lifelines, with presence but without preparedness. For 2 hours, Yuvraj fought the cold, fought exhaustion, fought hope as it slipped away. And the cruel irony, the only person who tried to save him was a civilian, a delivery man. By then, it was too late. We pray for his family to find the strength to survive this loss and for his soul to find divine shelter. But prayer cannot replace responsibility. 3 points demand our attention: ability, availability, accountability. A car falling into a ditch because of a broken wall. Unfortunate, yes, but unforeseeable, no. That emergency workers didn't have the ability to swim is alarming. Even more so in a major metropolitan area. That there was no availability of any other resource is heart-wrenching. No ropes lowered, no equipment deployed, no drones, no decisive action. People were present. Help was absent. If this doesn't wake us up, what will? And waking up begins with accountability. Accountability is not just about punishment, which often means finding a convenient scapegoat and returning to the status quo. Accountability is about preparation, training, systems that work before tragedy strikes. Because a society is not judged by how loudly it mourns, but by how seriously it learns. And no citizen, absolutely no one should ever die waiting for help that already arrived but didn't or couldn't or wouldn't help.